Hi everyone, my name's Heather Fiore. I'm a media specialist in Vineland, New Jersey at Vineland High School. To the left, you will see a picture of my campus. I am in the bottom left building, and that's 9th through 10th grade. The above building is 11th through 12th. However, both buildings service all grades pretty much. I have been there 8 years. We service over 3,000 students. I have also taught at the elementary and middle school level. I prefer high school, and I hope to become a vice principal one day in the high school. I have no interest in becoming a principal, just a vice principal. With that said, I have a family of four. As you will see, my children up on the right-hand side. My two youngest girls are both deaf and have cochlear implants. So I've had a lot of dealings with IEPs and special education services. I feel I'm pretty well versed for them, at least in what they need, and fighting for what we need to get within our specialized service areas. Below that is a picture of my mother and one of my daughters, and my mother has been very influential in my life. She was a teacher for 36 years. She was a math teacher. I didn't take the route of going math, but I still followed in her footsteps. As far as the community, school community relations, it's vital for our community to be interested in the welfare of our students. They are where the kids come from. They are where the kids go home to. They are what needs to be on board to help promote our educational system. Basically, together, we create a safe, healthy educational environment. And no one knows our community like our community. It knows culturally what is going on in our community economically. It has a basic understanding of interests and likes in our community. The community is what helps our schools. It sponsors our schools. With budget cuts, we rely on others to help us to sponsor projects and programs and so forth. And basically, when the community is involved, it just enriches the educational program because the children see that we're all on board for the same purpose. What's best for them, the welfare. The community is where they're going to be in the end. That's life. Life is their community. If they choose to stay here or move on to another community. Basically, like the African proverb states, it takes a village to raise a kid, and the community is our village. So we need to be connected with them as much as possible. So I hope you enjoyed my introductory video.